All right, guys, so now all of the audio that you hear is currently being processed through our Stingray DSP mixer. On the ceiling, we have some small Sennheiser microphones that work amazing. We also have a list of other certified microphones on our website. If you happen to have a microphone that is not certified, you can go ahead and shoot us an email, and our support team is happy to run a few tests for you to make sure that they work. All right, so down in here, we have our Stingray DSP mixers. We have two of those guys daisy chained together. So a fun fact about the Stingray is you can actually daisy chain up to 15 of them. So you can provide coverage for a wide range of rooms. And now I'm at the back of the room. As you can see, this is a pretty long table in a big room. So if you're in a board meeting and you're sitting at the back of the room and you want to make sure that your voice is heard, you can rest assured that you'll be picked up perfectly. So another fun fact about the Stingray is that you have 3 ways to buy. You can either go to our website and check out a list of AV integrator partners or a list of distribution partners, or you can head on over to Amazon.com and search Phoenix Audio Technologies. All right, guys, that's going to go ahead and conclude our audio demo, but thank you so much for stopping by. I got to hop into a meeting, but I'll see you guys later.